In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status on Slack, a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Slack is a communications platform that many of us rely on for work, whether it's remote or in an office setting. Setting your status can help communicate your availability to your team effectively, whether you're stepping away from your desk, in a meeting, or just heads down in deep work. Let me guide you through this simple process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Slack website, the main hub, where you'll access all your Slack workspaces and engage with your teams. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it. This will lead you to the login page, where you can use various options to sign in. For the purpose of these instructions, we'll use the Google Sign In option, as it's a popular choice for many users with Google accounts linked to their workspaces. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to log in using your Google account credentials. Enter your details, and once you're signed in, you'll see your familiar Slack interface loaded with all your channels and direct messages. Now, continue to the bottom left of the screen where your profile picture is located. This is your personal hub where you can make adjustments to your profile, including updating your status. By clicking on your profile picture, a small menu will pop up with various options relating to your personal settings. You'll want to select Update Your Status, a feature designed to let your team know what you're up to without having to shoot a direct message. This will bring up a window where you can type in or select a preset status. Feel free to get creative or simply use one of the suggestions provided by Slack, such as in a meeting, out sick, or working remotely. Once you've decided on the perfect status to reflect your current work situation, take a moment to review what you've entered to make sure it accurately reflects your availability or activity. When you're satisfied with your status, look for the Save button, typically found on the interface, and click it. This final step ensures that your status is updated across the platform for all your team members to see. And that's it. You're all set with a new status on Slack. This feature is a great way to maintain clear and consistent communication within your team. By keeping your co-workers informed, you contribute to a more efficient and effective work environment. Thanks for joining us today, and happy Slacking!